औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, क्लास 7 साइंस में पढ़े तो रात डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ वाटर एंड इंटरचेंजेबिलिटी ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेट्स ऑफ वाटर। आज पेज नंबर 247 ब्याख टॉपिक 16.5 वाटर एज ए सॉल्वेंट। अच्छे पढ़न वाटर वन वाटर एज ए सॉल्वेंट। शाबाश, तह क्लास 6 मज पोर्मुत वोनमो तमिस सल्यूट क्या गो। ए सबस्टेंस which get dissolved, सो सबस्टेंस युस हल गछ, सो सबस्टेंस युस हल गछ तथ छस वनान सल्यूट। यथ मंज यह हल गछ तथ छस वनान सॉल्वेंट। ए सबस्टेंस which dissolves solute, dissolves solute, सो सबस्टेंस यथ में solute dissolve गछ तथ छस वनान सॉल्वेंट। solute को सो ए सबस्टेंस which dissolve गछ, use dissolve। शाबाश। वाटर छस वनान यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट। वाटर छस वनान यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट बिकॉज इट dissolves almost every substance. It dissolves almost every substance. Yus water chasan achis wana universal solvent because it dissolves almost every substance. Water ch khasita ki ch prat kah cheez thaat mein dissolve. Yus chis parna water as a solvent. An important property of water is its ability to dissolve many substances. Godnichi sadar cheez wana a khas property ch waters, it dissolves almost every substance. That is why this water is called universal solvent. That is why this water is called universal solvent. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर sugar and water करो, sugar gets easily dissolved in water. If we mix salt and water, salt gets also dissolved. If we get dissolve clay and water, clay gets also dissolved. Almost जितने भी substance है सारी नहीं, अगर सख्त आब जो सख्त आब जो ना almost तकरीबन सारी 70% substance gets dissolved in water. That is why this water is called universal solvent. When water evaporates to form cloud, yel आब evaporate गसान छ, when we heat the water gets evaporated. This evaporated water, it is the pure form of water. It is a pure form of water. It forms clouds at some distance, at some height. It gets cools down to form the cloud. When the clouds becomes heavy, it falls down on the earth in the form of rain or snow. When it falls as rainwater, many cases from the air dissolve in it. यदि वसान छ वापस रूद युस वाटर वेपर श्योर खुद इम बनो अबर यदि बोन वोत तो आयरस मन छ वरिया गैस आसान तब इम से जुरोय पानस से गैस अति वथिम बोन. After falling on the ground, it comes in contact with several minerals and salts and dissolves some of them. यदि जमीनस पे पेवान छ या वत वसान छ यम पेट छ वसान आत में पेवान इस वरिया salts करन dissolve, वरिया minerals जमीनस पे यदि से कंटेक्ट गसान छ इच करन dissolve. Hence it is called universal solvent. तवे छ वना क्या universal solvent के आत में गई तम आत में minerals से गसान dissolve, आत में salts से गसान dissolve, आत में gases से गसान dissolve. That is why this water is called universal solvent because it dissolves almost every substance which are coming in contact with them. Large water surface like rivers, lakes and oceans are in direct contact with the atmospheric air. The water surface, चाहे water surface is that surface water is that water which is continuously moving, which is on the earth. The water surface, rivers, lakes, oceans, them direct contact with the atmospheric air. The gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide are soluble in water. The gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen are soluble in water. Water formula H2O. At much oxygen asa. Beach gas oxygen the carbon dioxide water is soluble. The gas oxygen the carbon dioxide they are soluble in water. It's only dissolved oxygen which helps in aquatic organism to survive. You see oxygen asa water formula H2O means the water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. You see oxygen water formula H2O. You see O oxygen. The aquatic organism use this oxygen for breathing. Say aquatic organism आसान छ तम छ यही oxygen करा इस्तेमाल केम खतर breathing करना खतर. Fishes have a special organs called gills which helps them to taking up dissolved oxygen. But fishes put as lungs they put garden आसान gills. In gills आसान छ तम छ करा अमन मदद कत चीज हल गसना शाबाश. Aquatic plants use carbon dioxide. Aquatic plants use carbon dioxide dissolved in water for the preparation of their food. But aquatic plants are such. Aquatic plants get them plants which live in water, which grow in water. The aquatic plants use carbon dioxide dissolved in water for the preparation. You carbon already carbon dioxide the oxygen gasan abas maz hal aquatic plants asan ch tam ch carbon dioxide kara istemal for the preparation of their food. The solubility of gas in water decreases with the increase in temperature. Yuta solubility of gases hal gasan ch yuta increase karo temperature yuta gasan decrease of kya solubility of gases in water. Yuta misal ke तौर पर ज्यादा आब दिमो हीट इमच गैस नेरा नेबर इमच गैस नेरा with the increase in often during the summer fishes in several ponds the dawa chi gasa ye summer seasons maz asan ch amon fishing yam asan ch aquatic organ asan ch abas maz asan ch chi mana ke use oxygen atman us with the increase in temperature this solubility gets decreased with the increase in temperature. That is why you see thousands of fishes die in the pond during the summer seasons. The water in ponds became hot due to summer heat. Use ponds man water asan chi gasan variya hot kim se heat se natij nera aquatic organism asan ch tam ch mara. As the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is reduced and fishes die. Sha input water cycle in nature. Taya 6th class mata kono water cycle usmate parno mata me asal point thoda dem bya introduction to pass. Have you ever seen a river or a lake or a sea? The water from the surface of this water body evaporates continuously. The surface water is that water which is in the lakes, river, stream. This water gets evaporated continuously due to the heat of the sun or due to the temperature in the atmosphere. This water gets evaporated continuously. Yet continuously evaporated means the water in the evaporated water goes high up in the air at some distance. This water vapors condense because when we go higher we go, the cooler we feel. Water vapors evaporate condense. Like a droplet clouds. Clouds. The water droplets adhere to the dust particles which are present in the air. They group of water along with the dust particles form clouds. These clouds moved up from one place by wind. Winds with oil very heavy water droplets heavy. In the form of rain or snow. The pachi bake surface water body the beach evaporate it's continuous cycle that is known that's called water, and this cycle is known as water cycle. The use water cycle already promote so for inshallah water pollution the as go yuti agar aisa bega confusion as the mini soon yuti the uma alaina illa al balagul mubin.